Nighttime would hit the land of you pandas. The virus fish here is sat waiting for something. But what? Ah, this is a nice evening. Ah! Virus fish! I have you now. Ha 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 ha. Good night, Barry. Huh? What the heck? A rock? What? Wait a second. No way. Is this the Mythical Rock? Yes! Oh, the virus fish is over. Fellow slime, it is transformation time. The virus fish needs to be taken down. It's over now, virus fish. The luck is you need it. It's time. Alright, you want round 2? I see you transformed. I'm glad you're using that brain for something. Time to end this once and for all! Yes! Take that, virus fish! Victory! Victory was sweet, but it all ended in the war. What do you mean, Dad? You see, when we destroyed the virus fish, the virus has spread into the water. What? Oh, what have I done? Oh, I didn't mean for this to happen. I didn't think this would happen either. That rock is powerful. The water is going to be infected by that. How do we fix that? It will take a long time, and I don't even know how to fix this issue right now. But don't worry. Everything has a resolution, Barry. Trust me. Okay. Thank you. I hope this all fixes itself. I don't want to live with no water. Hopefully, Barry. Now come on. Let's distract ourselves for a little bit, shall we? What do you say? Let's do it!